Through our farm, we've been able to supply quality seedlings. As you may know, issues of coffee quality, climate change, productivity. One of the intervention areas is the provision of quality seedlings, which has been a challenge for some time. The demand supersedes the supply, and as a university, we took up that challenge. And currently, we're able to do over 100,000 seedlings, supplying to over 200 farmers per year. We also do quite a lot of research and development in terms of value addition of coffee. Our CS, we have 250-acre under coffee. In a year, we produce about 70 to 90 metric tons of coffee. And in one way of promoting value addition and demonstrating that to our stakeholders was by having an SME scale kind of processing. You've seen part of the products we have there. And also one way of promoting domestic coffee consumption that has been a matter of conversation for a long time. We also promote providing solutions to our industrial partners. We mentioned about the coffee flavor yogurt, which is our innovation. And I'm happy to see the chairman, Wakulima Dairies Limited, in front of us here. These are testimony that we believe in entrepreneurial university, where our innovation provides solutions to the community and the other stakeholders within the country. Besides that, we also do a lot of capacity building to address the issue of inadequate capacity, the entire value chain from seed to cup. And I'm happy to inform you that we have the certificate and diploma in coffee technology program that basically have the human resource in that component. We've been able to do over 250 graduates since we started. And the good news is that 40% of them are women. So in a way, we're also promoting youth and women inclusivity within the coffee subsector, which has been a debate for some time. We do a lot of technical support to our farmers, cooperative societies, whom we invited here to witness this collaboration signing event. Through our modern cupping lab, which we just visited a moment ago, we've been able to not only support the farmers in terms of knowing the quality of their coffee, but also offer technical advisory support, informing them on areas they need to improve on to attain better prices, which translate to better income and better livelihood. Of course, we also use the facility to mentor our graduates internship. We have like 5 graduate interns for every year. Our CS, we've also been doing some 2 key projects within our country. One of the projects involves setting up coffee cupping laboratories within the 7 counties, Meru, Embu, Nyeri, Murang'a, Machakos, Kiambu, and Bungoma, where we've been able to provide technical support in setting up of coffee cupping laboratories, training the technicians there, and organizing TOT trainings. The other project we are currently doing is Embu and Kiambu, where we are looking at issues of soil profile in relation to coffee quality, because one of the issues that has led to low production is basically the soil decline, and we are intervening in that area through soil analysis and offering advisory support to the farmers through training, among others. Lastly, Chair, there's a lot of debate on conserving our planet, adopting best practices, climate-smart technologies. As we speak now, our CS, we are keen on diversifying value addition of the coffee byproducts. For a long time, we've just been throwing them away and posing a lot of threat to the environment. And we are establishing a modern workshop. If you had time, would have had a look at it. This workshop will be able to generate different types of products from the coffee byproducts. And basically, we are focusing on the coffee wet processing byproducts, which we can commercialize. Lastly, we are looking at research and awareness on biodiversity conservation in coffee. In the last 1 year, we've had a project involving Nyeri coffee farmers trying to look at the sustainability within the coffee sector, asking ourselves, as much as we gain economically from our coffee, what damage are we doing to the biodiversity, the plant, insect, animal profile? And I think in one way or another, we agree that we need to conserve our biodiversity as much as we are involved in the coffee production. And that involved around 47 coffee farmers which we did a very good dissemination on that. On the climate change mitigation issues, Bana CS, you went to the stand where we had the coffee varieties being displayed there. One of the attributes we are keen on is the disease resistance, water stress, among others. And I wish to mention that we're also looking at biofertilizers utilization within the coffee sector so that we're able to conserve or mitigate climate change issues, for example, like the emergence of diseases. In conclusion, I wish to say that on behalf of the DeKUT Coffee Technology Center, we welcome this collaboration signing ceremony so that we'll be able to advance our objectives in terms of the training, research, and extension with matters related to coffee.